Welcome to TTS 2.0. Here is a basic Japanese sushi recipe, Chef Md Alamraza Khan restaurant style homemade recipe. To help you get started with making sushi at home. This recipe is for Maki sushi rolls, which is one of the most common types of sushi. You'll need sushi-grade fish, rice, and a few essential ingredients. Ingredients. For the sushi rice. 2 cups Japanese short grain rice. 2 cups water, for cooking rice. 1/4 cup rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. For the sushi rolls, Maki. Sushi-grade fish, e.g., tuna, salmon, or other fillings like cucumber, avocado, crab sticks. 4 sheets of nori, seaweed. Soy sauce, for dipping. Pickled ginger and wasabi, optional. Bamboo sushi mat, for rolling. Instructions. 1. Prepare the sushi rice. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook the rice. Combine the rinsed rice and 2 cups of water in a rice cooker or a pot. Cook according to the rice cooker instructions or boil and then simmer for about 15 minutes. Season the rice. In a small saucepan, heat the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt until the sugar dissolves. Pour this mixture over the cooked rice and gently fold it to combine. Let the rice cool to room temperature. 2. Prepare your fillings. Thinly slice your sushi-grade fish, cucumber, or other fillings. Make sure everything is in long strips to fit inside the roll. 3. Assemble the sushi rolls. Place the nori on the mat. Lay a sheet of nori on the bamboo sushi mat, shiny side down. Spread the rice. Wet your hands with water to prevent sticking, and take a handful of the cooled sushi rice. Spread it evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch gap at the top. Add fillings. Place a few pieces of your selected fillings, fish, vegetables, in a horizontal line across the center of the rice. Roll the sushi. Using the bamboo mat, carefully lift the bottom edge of the nori and roll it over the fillings, applying gentle pressure to keep the roll tight. Continue rolling until you reach the end. Seal the roll by moistening the 1-inch gap at the top with water. 4. Slice and serve. Using a sharp knife, slice the sushi roll into bite-sized pieces. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Enjoy your homemade sushi. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.